Security cameras are great. They're everywhere. You probably own multiple cameras yourself. But there is a reality most of us don't consider or understand. Think about turning on your TV and leaving it on for 10 years, nonstop, 24/7. Would you expect it to run continuously without any interruption or maintenance? Well, that's precisely what most of us ask security cameras to do. The reality is, all electronic systems need supervision because they are going to eventually fail. If you don't monitor your cameras for operation, you may not know for days, weeks, or even months that a failure has occurred. When you realize it, usually depends on how often you interact with the system. Ignoring your cameras is a guaranteed recipe for missing that critical moment you were sure the cameras were going to catch. Many site-specific factors can affect a camera. It could drop offline or even fail. The hard drive in the recorder could fail. The recorder could experience a brownout and stop recording. The cameras could go out of focus, or someone could actually move the cameras to intentionally change its field of view. Our 24/7 Uptime Service assures your system is up and operating and you don't miss anything. Uptime constantly monitors your cameras for stable video, video quality, focus, viewing target changes, and recordings. When an issue is detected, our support center performs a remote diagnostics, which solves the issue 98% of the time. When we cannot correct the issue remotely, we dispatch a technician on site with a replacement part. Likely the first time you hear of a problem is after it's already been resolved. The daily comprehensive reports details your system's performance and the previous day's events and actions. We offer 2 support levels, monitoring and diagnostics with daily reports, plus the option of site service and repair, all for one really low monthly fee that you can budget for. All software and remote servers utilized with the Uptime Service are meticulously developed and hosted within the continental United States. No shady foreign servers, no mysterious software developers. Every aspect of the service is USA generated, proven secure, and completely trustworthy. Backstreet stands firmly behind the integrity and security of the system in all its facets, ensuring unparalleled reliability and peace of mind for our users. For more information, go to backstreetsurveillance.com and click on the Uptime Service tab or give us a call at 800-431-3056.